How to do passage 3 in IELTS reading. There are three types of questions in passage 3 which is known as longer or difficult reading. Passage 3 is known as longer or difficult reading, and of course passage 1 is known as easier one, because passage 1 has only two types of questions, and in passage 3 there are three types of questions. Let's look at the example of this type of reading. We have here, it is reading passage 3. Why it is known as difficult or longer passage? Now the topic of this reading is making the most of friends. Okay, this much of reading we have from here to here and from here to here. Okay, let's look at the type of questions we have. First we have multiple choice questions. Now in this we have five questions. Second type of questions we have for this passage is match each statement with the correct company. Okay, with the list of companies. Okay, here also we have 6 questions. Okay, let's look at the other type of questions we have. Okay, in next type of questions we have complete each sentence with the correct ending A, B, C, or here it is. These are the list of options. These are the sentences we have to complete by matching with these list of options. Okay, now here, as I told you, in the passage 3 we have 3 types of questions. Now what to do? Now question arises, which type of question should I attempt first, or which question is easier to do, or in which type of question I am comfortable to do first. Okay, but the question here is do according to the sequence of questions given in the passage, given for this passage only. Whatever it is given, the examiner has designed this question paper, IELTS reading passage according to these questions have been designed according to the sequence of passage. Let's look at the example here. For these are 5 MCQ questions. You will definitely get these 5 questions in the first 5 paragraphs. Of course, 1 or 2 questions you may get in the last paragraphs, but you have to do according to the sequence of passage only. Next we have 3 questions here. Complete each sentence. In this also you will be getting the answers in this. After finishing the MCQs, you will be getting answers starting from here, or it may be from here also. But what I want to tell you, please do not say anything about it. I am comfortable in doing MCQs first or fill in the blanks first. Do according to the sequence of questions given in the question paper. If you don't find any answer, please leave it. You can find it in the last of this question paper. So okay, except 2-3 questions you will be getting at the last, in the last paragraph. Now I hope you must have understood the logic of this to do reading passage 3. Thank you.